in the morning. 6 in the morning. When was the last time we were up at this? Like 3 months.
Like 2.5 months. You hear that?
Fuck, that's PTSD. Ugh.
June? No.
Just one thing. For me, you are still the only dream. Could be right, could be wrong.
We're going to the beach, Aspen. You're gonna have so much fun once you wake up. 7:08. And we're off. Aspen. Still sleeping. Fish around.
Say you love me, say you love me, oh na na na.
Jay fishes and Aspen literally runs behind him like his little shadow. I'm over here literally under an umbrella with half of my body out of the umbrella, protecting the shit out of my face and making sure that my brows get no sunlight because I got them done yesterday and they can't receive any sun or the pigmentation won't last that long. So this is me currently.
Wanted to play the game, but you don't need no to be ashamed. Already know us too late. Say you love me, say you love me, say.
Aspen, go with Daddy. Go with Daddy.
You gotta go swim. Come on. You gotta go swim.
Go with Daddy. Go to Daddy. We're okay. Good girl! Good girl! Cheers, baby. Wait, do you guys want to laugh? So, Bible, this is how a picture looks when we just took it normally with our Fujifilm, like completely normal, never read a tutorial, nothing. Okay, fine. And then I was like, wait, like there's different settings on this thing. So I go on YouTube and this is how it comes out. And I'm gonna post a picture right here. And I'll probably make it the whole screen so you guys can see how it is before and after you learn how to use your Instant FX9 camera, I think that's what it's called. Before and after, guys. We're gonna have Polaroids on fleek now that we know. Right, baby? Yeah. We're still here and Jay just caught a big fish from his cast net so that he put on his hook to hopefully catch a bigger fish. And I'm still here protecting these brows. We just got to our hotel from literally a full day on the beach. And you're wet.
I'm burnt.
And you're wet on our bed. Aspen, this is your first time, baby, at a hotel. Yeah. Look, Daddy got you a couch so you could go sleep. Come on, you wanna go sleep on your couch? Come here, you wanna go sleep on your couch? Come, up. Good girl. Is that for you? Yeah, this is gonna be your couch, baby. She's like, no, it's not. My brows, I don't think you guys understand how protected I had them all day. So now I can't wait to go wash my whole face, wash the brows, and put more moisturizer on them. I literally put the Evian bottle, I kept them moisturized, I did everything. But everything else besides my face is so tan, and my poor baby is burnt. So now we're gonna go moisturize and see what else we get ourselves into for the rest of the day. We got some banana leaves outside. Or actually, yeah, those are Palm of Paradises. Those are like the ones we have in our house. These are banana leaves. Just in case you guys wanted to know. Showered, we're clean. And then we're gonna go out to dinner. And the sun's still out. Today has been a very long day. Love you.
Let us out.
We left Aspen. Poor baby's gonna freak out. She's gonna be like, why'd you leave me?
She tried to escape just now.
Yeah, she's like,
I'll with you, but
she'll fall asleep in 5 minutes, so she'll be good. She'll be good. So this was the only place that we found, and apparently we're like in downtown Palm Beach. It's on PGA Tour Boulevard, which I kind of think we should check out the store tomorrow.
yeah, I would love to hit some golf balls too. You know,
We can try out clubs there. But look.
Just gonna go ahead and get you seated right here.
Okay, thank you. Pick the spot.
My bones have been talking to the blood in my veins.
Did I try the snake, whatever? First time at a restaurant in 3 months.
in our lives.
3 months. Because of quarantine. This is the first time at a restaurant. Sit down service restaurant.
I don't think you're there yet.
Crazy. Cheers, baby.
Right there.
That literally tastes like a spicy margarita.
I'm sure it is. It's just,
Different. Tweaked up.
yeah.
It's good. So here we have some fried gator tail, like literal alligator. And then some fried oysters, which we don't like, but
It's an adventure.
we're trying something new because it's an adventure. I'm nervous.
I'm hungry.
Just say alligator. Oh, what is that? So, we just had alligator tail, and it tastes fine. The consistency is like a calamari, but tougher. Like rubbery and stuff like that. Then we had the oysters. Not like the raw oysters, thankfully, because I can't deal with that texture. Like, whenever you shoot an oyster, everything comes back up. But these are good. Everything's very spicy. If I drink the spiciest shit, so my lips are nice and cool. Spicy honey. I want one of those for the house, baby. And then a jambalaya. We don't know how to act anymore. We haven't been to a restaurant in so long. It's like we
They
forgot.
let us out.
It's like we
Shit.
forgot.
They let us out. There go number 2. I need a piece of that chicken.
We were full.
Oh my god.
Like, I feel the last sip that I took to help Jay with the beer here. Like, it's literally still in my throat.
Like the bottom of my chest.
is full. That was a lot. But now we're gonna just take a nice little 5-minute drive to our hotel and rescue our daughter.
She's probably pissed.
I know, I really hope she doesn't think that like we abandoned her. I was thinking about that. I'm like, yeah, she's like this, like they're never coming back. I have no idea where I am. But then I was also like, okay, she might be smart and like smell that all her stuff is still there. Except us, so.
She's right by the door.
Someone's at our door, someone's at our front door too. There's motion at our front door. Hello.
Good.
So yeah, day one of our little weekend getaway. No, you're okay. Hi, you're okay. Hi, baby. You're okay. Guys, it is Sunday. Slept like babies last night. Jay woke up at literally 6 o'clock to go fishing. So he left. And now he's coming back and we're gonna have breakfast. My little baby, no, she's not here, but my little baby literally jumped into bed and she just cuddled me, like hardcore cuddled me for like 2 hours. It was the cutest thing. So it's like Jay was gone, but I have my baby. I'm gonna go get breakfast. Came back home.
Yes, it was fun. Just watched the sunrise. Hooked up with a big snuff like this big. It was fun.
There's no breakfast because we forget this way, baby. Because we forget that coronavirus is still a thing. So we got a breakfast vaggie
We're gonna have breakfast.
Yeah.
A hot breakfast.
with goodies for the beach, but we're gonna go figure out breakfast. Aspen barked at me, so she's not too thrilled right now that I left her for 5 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Hi, boo-boo.
You're so scary.
Hi, baby. You're not happy mommy left you. I left you for 5 minutes. At least you were chilling on the bed.
She was like having forgiveness.
Yeah, she's like, I'm mad, but I'm just gonna stay on the bed real quick. Hi.
I see you.
Hi, baby.
I see you.
Oh yeah, you miss daddy.
Golden. She's like,
I don't think you guys understand how hot it is today. Like, we got out here and it was insane. It is currently 11:19, so it is later than we got here yesterday, but it is 86 degrees and it feels like 91. It is ridiculous. Like, I can't. Air quality index, visibility, UV index is an 8, which is super high. Aspen and I are literally under the umbrella. She's over it. Like, she does not want to be in the sun. I'm literally covering my eyebrows however much I can, and then I put sunscreen everywhere. Jay literally used up a whole can that we just bought of the aerosol sunscreen, and he's out busting a mission trying to fish because the pier is all the way over there. So he's not walking there. He just had to get back in the car to drive down there. And we're all tired. Aspen, get over here. Hey, Aspen. Let me go get my dog. Really so over it. She saw her dad go up the stairs and she went chasing him because she's like, if you're leaving, I'm leaving. And I just had to run. My feet are literally fucking burning. Wow. What a day. We're gonna have to hydrate so fucking much. Stay under the shade. I'm not going anywhere right now. Nope. I'm gonna read. Okay, so I didn't really vlog today because Aspen and I literally just chilled under the umbrella for like 5 hours while Jay went all the way down to the pier and fished, so nothing really exciting. I read and played Sudoku, and then Jay came back and picked us up, and we just went to the PGA store, bought some golf shoes, some really cool like golf shorts actually, like nice bright color, super fun. And baby is literally knocked out. She could not be more exhausted. She wanted to run away. When Jay like came, dropped us off, whatever, and like went back and left, she like thought like she literally waited 2 minutes and she went all the way up the stairs on the beach, like basically into the street, like get me the fuck out of here. Like if he's coming, if he's leaving, I'm leaving. She barely played. All she did was literally sleep next to me. And
I was exhausted.
that little girl over here, homegirl, like wasn't like, oh, like I'll just sleep over there. She took up the whole blanket and wanted to be on top. So I just had dog like on me basically. Just wanted to cuddle him. As she does right now.
Sleep.
She's like, you're not leaving me. And then, and we're in really bad traffic right now. So hopefully we make it home maybe by like 7:30 so that the sun's still out. Get some food and chill really.
Chores, yeah. Not chores, but
There's nothing really to do.
it's true.
Like it's such a chill like trip that we don't have to like go home and like unprepare like and basically just like, okay, here's my 2 bags, like super cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I love it. Guys, check out Juno Beach. Dope spot. It's like a Key West vibe, but more modern. Highly recommend it.
Here's the popo.
Call the popo.
We'll film when we get back home once we're chilling. So 95 is closed because of protesters. That's where we are.
That's a bit much.
Talk about a national uprising. Too much going on right now in the world. Oh, what?
I don't even wanna try. I told my friends I might not make it out tonight. You're stuck in my head and I can't get you out.
In like double the time because we took the scenic route. We picked up some Chinese fried rice. Now we're gonna relax. That was our weekend, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We really enjoyed actually vlogging this. I think it's the first like trip that we take that we vlog. No, I don't think. I know. So yeah, that was super fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Have to eat.